I take medication that slows down my gut mobility, causing rotten egg and raw sewage smelling burps. These burps are uncontrollable and embarrassing. I try to reduce them by avoiding certain foods and drinks. However, after a sleepless night shift, I drank a large Red Bull, which triggered the burps. My coworker was giving me a ride home when the burps started. I tried to hide them, but he noticed the smell and thought it was something outside. I laughed it off, but he eventually realized that the smell was coming from inside the car. He even made a comment about being able to taste the smell, which made me laugh even harder. I was mortified, but I couldn't stop laughing. The situation was so embarrassing that I haven't stopped thinking about it since.